Let us look at this one, which came in 2020, paper 2, internal, and it was on question 5B. So the question reads, the first three terms of a geometric progression are m minus 2, m plus 1, and m plus, this one is m plus 7. So that is m minus 2, m plus 1, and m plus 7. So the first question is to find the value of m. So how do we get the value of m? How do we get the value of m? So what we do, first, the concept we write, the first term is m minus, that is m minus 2, the second term m plus 1, the third term m plus 7, just like that. So the concept behind here is on common ratio. We know that common ratio is given by second term or divided by first term is also equal to third term divided by second term, just like that. So this implies that our second term will be m plus 1 divided by first term, which is m minus 2, is equal to third term, that is m plus 7, divided by second term, that is m plus 1. So what do we do now? From there, we cross multiplication. So we cross multiply, that will be m plus 1 multiplied by m plus 1 is equal to m plus 7 multiplied by m minus 2. There is no problem. We can start with either this diagonal or that diagonal. Then from there now we expand. M times m, that is m squared. M times 1, that is m, plus 1 times m, that is m. 1 times 1, that is 1, is equals to, we also expand this side. M times m, that is m squared. Then m times negative 2, that will be negative 2m. Then 7 times m, that is 7m. 7 times negative 2, that is negative 14. Is negative 14, just like that. Then from there, we simplify this side. These are like terms. M plus m, that will be 2m plus 1 is equal to m squared. Negative 2m plus 7m is the same as 7m minus 2m, which will be 5m, then minus 14. So from there, what we do, we bring the terms this side. M squared will go with this one. When it comes this side, will be negative m squared plus 2m. This one will be negative 5m is equal to, this side we're going to remain with negative 14. This one, when it comes this side, will be minus 1. So m squared minus m squared, that is 0. That's cancelled. Then 2m minus 5m, that will be negative 3m, is equals to negative 1 minus 1, negative 14 minus 1, that is negative 15. Then we divide both sides by negative 3 by negative 3. So m will be equal to, negative and negative will cancel. 3 into 15, 5. Therefore, the value of m is positive 5. So that is how we get the value of m. Next, the next question is to find the common ratio. So how do we get the common ratio? The first thing we say, let's first list our terms. So that is m minus 2, m plus 1, m plus 7. So our m is 5, so this one will be 5 minus 2, then 5 plus 1, then 5 plus 7. So this will be 5 minus 2, that is 3, 5 plus 1, that is 6, 5 plus 7, that will be 12. So these are the first three terms. So what you do, common ratio is equals to second term divided by first term, which will be 3 into 6, that is 2. Then the common ratio is 2. So that is how we get the common ratio. Good. Next, we go to question 3. Question 3, we are requested to find some of the first 6 terms. First, we check our common ratio. Since our common ratio is greater than 1, we use this formula. Sn is equals to A, open bracket, R to the power n, then minus 1, close R minus 1. So we are looking for sum of how many terms? 6 terms. So our n will be 6, which is our A is first term, that is 3. Common ratio, that is 2 to the power 6 minus 1. Then cross our R, which is 2 minus 1. Next, we simplify inside. So that is 2, get the calculator. 2 to the power 6, that is 64. So So this will be 64 minus 1 close. Open 2 minus 1, that is 1. So this will be 3. 64 minus 1, that is 63 close. Divide by 1. So 63 times 3. Say 63 times 3. That will be 189 over 1. So 1 into 189, that will be 189. So that is how we answer that question. So it ends there.